The Safetots Designer Fire Guard can be extended from 144 cm to 174 cm using the Safetots Designer Fire Guard extension. To do this, you put the first two side panels together from the Designer Fire Guard, and then all you do is you place the extension piece in the middle. Now when you place the extension piece in the middle, you'll notice that on this side there are two clips, one on here and one clip and two on here, and you put them together in that order. So just slot these into position, clipping on your way down, one there and one at the bottom, and then we do the same on the other side. You can just clip, clip and clip. The Safetots Designer Fire Guard would have come with one set of locking bracket, and the Designer Fire Guard extension will also come with a set of locking bracket. So to connect the locking bracket, what we do is we feed the small piece through the hole, then we take the bolt and the wing nut. We'll take at the top piece of the extension, line it up, pop the bracket over the top, drop the nut through the hole and secure using the wing nut. We can start this process by hand and then make our final tightenings using a Phillips screwdriver. So we just hold the wing nut in place, use the Phillips screwdriver and tighten up, and the bracket will be in place. And then we repeat the process on the other corner using the other bracket provided.